but a lot of you have asked me about where my Corvette, if I didn't use that anymore or where it went, if I sold it, but I did not. It was just tucked away due to bad weather. So right now we can just try. And we are going to drive to a place where there's a lot of old vintage cars, but let's just test. Let's just start by doing active track here on the parking lot. Just to see if we can make everything work. See, I put it the right way, yeah. Should probably have added an ND filter. It's a nice evening. So hopefully I have all the cameras running. Let's see if this one is running up there. Trying to do 360 with the max from the top, and then yeah, let's see what we can do here from the base. Let's just enable a screen recording. Maybe I should plug in a microphone in this one. It makes it a little bit easier to synchronize everything in post. So like this, I start the screen recorder. I need to get going because otherwise all the good seats are taken up there. So, all right, so we do this. We start the recording here. So now, hopefully I won't scratch the car. So here's my baby. Baby, take it one more time. At least that's an advantage by driving a Corvette. It's significantly more noisy than the drone is. So let's just do active track. Press go. And then it's just trace as it is right now. Put down. So third gear. See if it follows along. Hopefully it does. This has always been the problem when I'm getting down to this bottom part of the parking lot. There is always an issue here. Or there could be an issue with the trees. So hopefully it's still tagging along. Let's just do one more here before we are heading to Gilleleje. See what we're getting out of this. So let's just take the drone off the hook here. It's kind of drifting a little bit when it's losing track. That's a problem. That could be a problem. So like this. See, there's a nice obstacle down here. Roots, cars and everything. So let's just put it in the middle of the grass here. So like this. Maybe we need to go a little bit further out. Mark the car. Yes, active track, go parallel. So let's see what it's doing. It's sliding towards the back. Yeah, maybe it is actually. So see, it's going on top of the boat or the horse trailer there. So I think it will likely behave. All right, so now we tested everything here, so let's just pack up and get it into the car here. Maybe I can actually just take it out of stop it here. Slide over here. That's a little bit I don't know if that is possible. That's stupid. Let's just land it here. Next to the car. So far so good. Let's stop the drone here. Shut it off. We don't know when we need it again. Park. I grab it. So, see, this one is also recording very nicely up here. So let's go, let's go, let's go. So everything is turned off. I need to I have a speedometer app here that will help me figure out what's going on. So, okay, so let's go to Gilleleje. Probably need to find a seat belt here somewhere. It's just a buckle belt, so it's it's not providing. Let me put it this way. You don't want to wreck this car. You don't want to wreck it because I think it has made probably the lowest safety class ever recorded. But you know, one beautiful thing is that you can't really dent a Corvette. You can't dent it like a normal metal car because it's glass fiber or fiberglass. So what happens if you kind of dent it? It shatters. So either the fender is there or it's not. So this one is a 1970 Corvette Stingray. It's the third generation of Corvettes. They produced those from I think 68 to 82. And they changed them a lot over the years, actually. It's only the first years, 68 to 72, that has the chrome bumpers, like you see on this one. And those are also the ones that trades in the highest value. And then in 73, they took away the chrome bumper on the front and only left it on the back. So if you see one where it only has a chrome bumper in the back, it is because it's 1973. So let me know what you think. Does this work with these driving vlogs here? I can't look into the camera because I need to concentrate. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you did like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.